Fill your home with the amazing aromas of roasting tomatoes, garlic, and fennel with this tomato fennel soup. We've got all our ingredients ready, so let's get started. Start by slicing your medium tomatoes in half and placing them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then, take your cherry tomatoes and place them on the baking tray. Then peel your onion and cut it in large sections and place it on the tray. Then, prepare your fennel by cutting off the stems and then cutting off the tip of the root of the bulb, then cutting the bulb in quarters and making a diagonal cut on each quarter to remove the harder core. Cut them in smaller wedges and place them on the tray with the tomatoes. For the garlic, cut off the top of the bulbs just enough to expose the cloves. Just like this. And then place them right on the tray. Once everything is on the tray, take your olive oil and drizzle everything lightly. Then cover with some freshly cracked pepper and some salt. Then place in your preheated oven for about 40 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's all beautiful and roasted, remove the garlic bulbs from the tray and then place everything else into the mixer. Squeeze out the cloves from the garlic bulbs into the mixer and then add your fresh dill and your vegetable broth. Another little pinch of salt, and then blend until smooth. If you've got a soup setting on your mixer, go right ahead and use it. If you've got an immersion blender, you can use that and blend the soup in a pot. Once ready, remove the lid from your mixer, and if you want to heat it back up, you can, or you can just pour it right into the bowls. Garnish with some sour cream, some freshly cracked pepper, and you're ready to serve. I hope you get to enjoy this soon. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.